Hi everyone. So today we're going to look at expanded notation. We will look at what it means and how we do it. So the term expanded notation has the word expand in it, and you may have heard that word before. And to expand means to stretch out or to grow. And when we do expanded notation, that's what we do with the numbers. We stretch the numbers out. Right? Before we look into expanded notation, let us remember that every digit in a number has a place or a house, right? So if a number has only one digit, for example, 2, this just means 2 ones. So the 2 here is in the ones place. It's 2 ones. If a number has 2 digits, for example, 54, this 4 represents 4 ones, but this 5 represents something else. What does this 5 represent? If you said that it represents 5 tens, you would be correct. Every digit in a number has a different value. It represents something else. So if a number has 1 digit, it's ones. If it has 2 digits, it's tens and ones, right? And when we put a number in expanded notation, we just really want to see what is the value of each digit in the number, or how much each digit really represents or shows. So let's try one number. Let's look at the number 24. If I have to put the number 24 in expanded notation, I just want to know how much each digit in this number represents. There are 2 digits here, 1, 2 digits. So I know it will be something plus something, right? So let's look at the first digit. Our first digit is a 2. But does this 2 mean 2, like 1, 2? What do you think? It doesn't. We have to find out how much it means. We have to look at the place that it's in. And this 2 is in the tens place. So this 2 really means 2 tens. So 24 has 2 tens, and our next digit that's in the ones place is 4. 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. Can you see that? And you can double check using your 10 rods and your 1 rods. To make the number 24, you would need 2 10 rods and 4 1 rods. And you will have 10 plus 10, 2 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're almost there to getting this in expanded notation. Next, we have to say 2 tens. 2 tens are how much? 20, correct. 2 tens are 20 plus 4 ones. 4 ones are how much? 4. Correct. And this is our number in expanded notation. So 20 plus 4 is how we write 24 in expanded notation. Let's try one more together. Let's try the number 98. And I put my equal sign. How will we do with 98 in expanded notation? So before you begin, you can put your tens and your ones above your T over the tens column and your O over the ones column. So you know which digit represents the tens and which digit represents the ones. All right, which digit do we have in the tens space? We have a 9, very good. So this number, 98, has 9 tens. Plus, what number do we have in our ones place? 8, correct. So it has 8 ones. The number 98 has 9 tens plus 8 ones. 9 tens. 9 tens are what? 90. 9 tens are 90. So the number 98 has 90 plus 8 ones. 8. Very good. So 98 is 90 plus 8. And if you say it slowly, for most of the numbers, if you say it slowly, you can actually hear the number. 98. 98. It's not 98, it's 98. Okay, let's try one more. Let's do 73. And I want us to write 73 in expanded notation. So let's put our T and our O over the numbers for tens and ones. And let's start with the tens column. We have 7 tens, and we know that 7 tens are 70 plus 3 ones. 3 ones are 3. So 73 in expanded notation is 70 plus 3. How about this one? 56. I'd like you to pause the video, see if you can figure it out, and then press play to see if you were correct. Okay, so we have 56. Let's put our T and our O for tens and ones. 5 tens, 50, plus 6 ones, 6. 56 in expanded notation is 50 plus 6. 56. Let's do one more. 12. How would we write 12 in expanded notation? Again, pause the video, try to work it out, and then come back to see if you were correct. Let's put our tens and our ones. And we start with the tens. How many tens do we have? 1. 1 10 is equal to 10. Plus, we have 2 ones. 2 ones are 2. So 12 is equal to 10 plus 2. And that's how we do expanded notation. So what you can do now, I will post a link in the description to live worksheets where you will see an activity that you can try on your own.